Hello everyone, welcome back on Treat for Foodies. Today's recipe Kurkure Bhel with a twist is so simple that you can make it anywhere at any time. It will be ready in just few minutes. All you need is 1 medium sized Kurkure packet, 1 capsicum, 1 onion, 1 tomato, 1 cup murmure, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoon grated cheese, 1.5 teaspoon tandoori mayonnaise, finely chopped coriander and save for garnishing. Now take kurkure in a bowl and mix murmure with it. After that add all veggies and salt. And now it's time for a twist. It's tandoori mayonnaise. Mix everything properly. Now garnish it with coriander leaves, save and grated cheese. Your Kurkure Bhel is ready. Please like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.